Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys a very affordable YouTube filming setup that you guys can get for under $200. Alright, so when we talk to people and our clients about starting a YouTube channel, the first question that they usually have is, do I need to get all this expensive kind of gear? Because people usually think that you need to get, really big DSLR type cameras, expensive microphones, lighting, and things like that. And over the years, we've put together this very minimal, very affordable setup. It's small, compact, and light, which is usually how we like our gear. So this is the setup that I'm talking about. This is the actual setup that I use with my laptop when I'm doing simple tutorial videos. So you can see I've got the HD webcam, I've got a microphone down on the table there, a ring light, and a USB port to connect everything. And you can get all of that for less than $200. Now, the price that I'm quoting is in Canadian dollars because I'm here in Vancouver, but when I show you the items individually, I will have the latest prices both in US and Canadian, and if you're in the US, it's probably going to be cheaper for you guys. So, the first item is the Logitech C910 webcam, and everything that I am listing will be down in the description below. So we have literally been using this Logitech webcam for maybe over 5 years now, and it's still going great. It's an HD webcam, 1080p, and it's got a USB plug, so very simple to use. Now, when you have this HD webcam, you need to make sure that you have really good lighting, because if you have an HD webcam but really poor lighting, it's not going to be HD. So I'll talk about the lighting that we use later on in the video. Next, we've got this USB plug-in microphone, and it is by a company called Fifine Technology, and this thing is such good quality. So in Canadian dollars, it's less than, I'd say, $30 Canadian, and I think even less than 25 in US. And we were using the Blue Yeti before this, but we actually switched over to this because it is so compact and light. If you guys know about the Blue Yeti is a great microphone. It is a lot more expensive, but it is very heavy and it is not portable. So this was a great solution to fill in for the Blue Yeti, and we have been using this for at least 2 years now. Again, it's also a USB plug-in, and it's got a little mini tripod thing, so it literally just sits on your desk and then you just angle it when you speak. The third item is the biggest item, but it collapses down into the size of a laptop case. It is the ring light. Now, when you see in the picture there, we actually have really big windows and natural sunlight, so you might need more lighting depending where you are. With the 2 windows that we have, plus this ring light, it's great for what we need in the office there. So this ring light comes in all different sizes. You can actually get bigger ones than this, you can get smaller ones, and it does go on like a tripod thing, so when you spread the prongs out, it actually goes a little bit shorter, and this does sit on our table. So like I said, it's going to depend on your lighting situation. If you have fluorescent ceiling lights, if you have natural light, if you can bring in some other lamps, you may need additional light along with this ring light. This ring light is mainly for the face. It's not to light up the whole room. It's mainly to position it to get even lighting for our face. And this ring light is also USB connected, so everything that we use is USB. And the last thing, the most crucial thing, because most laptops don't have that many USB ports, because I also have one for my mouse, is this USB port. So this is a little port extension for the laptop, and it is also USB. So you plug it in and then it gives you 4 more ports. So you can get more or less, but this is perfect because we've got 3 items there, and I just plug them into this little USB port device. If I didn't have this, then I wouldn't have enough USB ports on my laptop to plug everything in. So make sure that you get something like this so that you can use all the items at once. So that is the setup. That is what we use for a basic filming setup. We use it for YouTube tutorials, regular talking head videos, YouTube live streams, Facebook live streams. And when we're traveling, it's very easy to pack up. Everything is small. Sometimes we bring the ring light, sometimes we don't. It really depends on the traveling situation. So like I said, we've been using this setup for years, and we always recommend it as a first setup for new YouTubers. Again, all the links to the items will be down in the description below. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.